Yeah, it's visible.
Okay, so I'm going to explain it from the beginning now. Good evening, guys. So today we gathered here to learn a simple app development in Flutter with the help of Moreficent tool. So as I already let's record this session.
I started recording.
So as we already discussed about this Moreficent platform and the benefits in our workshop. So the primary reason to use this platform is for college students, especially in the time of graduation, if they don't have enough hardware in order to build mobile applications, when we can use such kind of free tools. So Moreficent is one of the platform which supports the three different types of IDE environments where you can learn and explore the programming languages and building them apps. So this is the main primary login page, app.moreficent.com. So you need to sign in with your Google ID. So simply log in with your Gmail account. So once you log into your Gmail account, so this is the home page where you can find three different IDs. So these are the different versions of Android Studio. So this is a normal Android Studio, and this is the Android Studio which supports React Native, especially with the Node.js support. And this is another version of Chipmunk, and this is a Dolphin version. And this is the Dolphin version where it was auto setup for the Flutter SDK. So they did their auto setup and all. And just a second. So by the way, Shambhu, how many people are registered?
Yeah, around 150 registered, and we got 50 here.
So what happened to the 100 people?
Maybe we had tried saying Sunday effect, maybe.
It's up to them whether learn something new or not. So this is for the IntelliJ tools. So these are all IntelliJ with different chipset support, and this is for the PyCharm. So how many of you already explored the Python?
Let's respond in chat. You can use the chat window
Hey,
to respond.
you can speak. No worries.
Like speaking access is not given to everyone.
Okay, fine. Oh, I'm sure. Okay.
Yeah, we have good numbers in chats.
It's really good. It's really good. So we have many people having exposure to the Python. So guys, if you want to do some coding on Python, and if you want to build some cool applications like games and all, do you think this IntelliJ PyCharm tool is free completely? No, right? You have to pay for it. So instead of paying for that, you can get the PyCharm for free of cost in the more efficient platform. So we have different versions, and if you require any other version, uh, specifically for your requirement, then you can simply drop an email to the team. Then they will definitely provide you the required version as per your needs, and they are updating the inbuilt supporting plugins and the new versions of these tools on a daily basis. So you don't need to worry about the latest versions and all. So now we are going to explore about the Flutter. So I'm launching it. So this is how it connects to the environment. Only I define the underscore. If you remove that, it won't make any big difference. Still, it can be accessible, but this can be accessible outside this class with the class reference. But if you give an underscore, you can't able to bring it up outside the class. So that's the only thing. Item count should be 5. See, I have only 3 elements due to this conditional logics, like odd number or the even number like that. So if I give like 20. I can expect only few. Are these okay, guys? Or is there any questions till now? No?
We have a questions in this.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Tell me. What's your questions? You guys are chatting here. How to remove those underscores in between the words in our app, which are in between the two words. Okay. See, that one is coming from the package level, and I'm using the snake case, na. So simply use a different case, uppercase, and see the difference. See, for styling of the words, there are different patterns. Uppercase as lowercase or as string. So for strings and for lowercase, it doesn't make any difference. And for camel case, each second word starts with a capital letter. Okay. Anybody have any doubts? Any more doubts? So this is the basic understanding and basic part of building a small application. We don't require this test module. Can simply delete this. Yeah. So anybody have any questions? Let me know, guys. It's already 5:30. If you are really interested and good to go, then I can beautify this UI much more. Are you guys okay to continue? Hello. I can see very few answers. All right. I'm moving ahead. So how many of you see this favorite button, which is a heart symbol? So I want to make some of these names as my favorites. Uh, so for that, I need a heart icon for every name. So how to do that? It's very simple. So as I said earlier, we have a trailing and a leading option, right? For this list tile, it comes up with several options. See, the leading, which represents the icon in front of the name. Title is this, and you can add a subtitle beneath the title, and the trailing will define the icon or any object at the end of the list tile. So let's build the icons. Leading icon, I'm adding just one icon for your reference. So icon represents like this in the class, and in the inside the icon, uh, you can call icons dot. Um, which icon we need to pick for the leading? So we have choose one icon. Const. Just hot reload. See, we got one icon to the leading, and for the trailing, we need a heart icon. Const dot favorite. Favorite, and this could be the rounded with an empty. Now we got the heart icons in the last. And if you want to add any um, subtitles, now we have the title. Na? Let's add one subtitle with a text, and this can also be uh, um, some random names. Why don't we use this? Suggestions of index position dot as lowercase with a style of text style and font size of 12 with colors dot red is not good. Okay, we can use green because this requires const. Right. So hot reload. Just untap on the hot reload using Command S or Control S. You can see the changes within no time. We have the green colored subtitles with a 15 or red accent. See, is it interesting? Okay, now let's make this more interactive, guys. Um, we want to save a set of items like selected values differently from the remaining list.
We
So
got a question like how to change the background color.
for the body,
Yeah, I guess.
okay. Uh, so here we have used scaffold in the top now. So for the scaffold, we have the background color option. You can simply pass colors with light blue, see, light blue, and you can able to see the divider lines which was added between the names, or light green accent. And for this title, maybe we can change the color as well for this color, colors dot white. Hmm. If the hot reload function doesn't work properly to apply the changes, they just simply tap on the hot reload. White doesn't looks good. Black. Still, yeah. So now we want to save the list of selected values, means selected names. Save favorite words. I'm creating another array with the same word pair of an empty of favorite words. Now after this, I'm going to introduce another condition. Final already favorite and favorite words dot contains. I'm just checking if the entire list is contains or not. If it contains, then that filling should be removed for that. I'll explain you once again after making these code changes. And for applying the icon of this icon, so here we have applied only heart, which is an empty, which is a not filled one. Now we need to play. Now we are going to play with the two different icons with this logic. If the word is already favorite, use this filled one. or else use this. So what we did now is we created an empty array of favorite words with a word pair, and I'm just created a boolean. So this is just a boolean, guys, which will hold the key value of the favorite words, whether this is containing any values or not. And if it is true, it will apply the filled heart icon. If it is false, it will keep this empty heart icon. So now let's rebuild this. I mean, the using the hot restart. So now click on that. Okay, we need to change the colors as well for a better understanding. Color, colors dot red, or else null. So we did something, but on clicking on the heart, it's not getting changed. Why? Because we haven't used set state in order to update the value for the selected item. Now let's make it more interactive. So what we are doing here is we're trying to tap right on the heart icons. Are you guys watching? Okay. So let's add tap listener for this icon. So for this icons, uh, we have the icon for trailing, and for this trailing icon, not only for this trailing icon, guys, I'm giving a tap event for the entire tile. So for this listed tile, we have a parameter called on tap. So just creating a constructor and adding it as a function now, and using the set state. We just simply type set state, which is inside a state class only. You can able to see the prompt. So if already favorite, then save the value. Sorry, then favorite words dot remove. If it is already saved, means we don't need that by you tapping on that. So passing that selected index position to this list in order to remove that value. If that particular piece of text is not saved, then we have to save that. Favorite words dot add, not add all, it's just an add, and suggestions of index position. Now we are doing the hot restart, and see, I'm clicking on that. I can able to see my favorite words. If I tap on that again, it will be removed. So now we can choose whatever the text that you want as a favorite. You can do that. I think we have maintained a count, right? So remove this item count. Simply refresh it with the hot reload. You can expect a number of items with your favorite keywords. So is this good enough to understand the things how it is going? Hello.
Yeah, students are responding.
Yeah. So is this enough, guys, or you want me to showcase more on this? Why the count has been dropped out from 60 plus? We got 44 remaining.
Hmm,
They're not interested in learning these easiest methods and easiest things to build the apps.
maybe.
Okay. We can't help them. So far we did many things. We explored many things. So does anybody have any doubts or anything? Just let me know. I will explain it again. Hello, more. Only one person required more. Okay, guys. I think we already reached the time of 6 p.m. nearly. So as the count is also getting less, and
So yeah, thanks, Charan, for your time. Guys, did you enjoy today's session? Let us know in the chat. Okay, we got something. For transaction, what can we apply from us?
transitions.
There's a
What
question.
transition you are expecting? Color changes or anything more? Animations. So animations is a different concept. So animation builder or animated widget we have. So you can use that. So you have to define in which manner that your particular component need to be animated. Like in Twitter, if you click on that like, it will just pop up like a fireworks, right? So for all that, you have to define your uh, for your animation. So animations are a complete different picture. You have to use animated animation builder, animation controller. Yes, animation builder, animation controller. These are the primary things to create your animated content. So if you want to explore something cool in animations, and I'm going to share you one link. You can just go through the source code. That source code is obviously it's an open source one. Just a minute, guys. I'm going to share you that GitHub URL. Okay, let me show you that here. Are you watching this?
Yeah, yeah, we are able to see it.
See the beauty of Flutter. The 3D view, you can see they have the 3D view or the 2D view. This is the 2D view, and this is the 3D view. You can see those button clicks and the depth it is going when you tap once you tap on that, and you can hear the sound as well. I think. So I'm sharing this. repo. It is having the complete code, assets, and everything here in the chat. I'm sharing that. You can try and explore that. So this is from one of our Flutter GDE. She has a very good exposure, and she's a great artist in the animations thing. How many of you want to explore that web part? So basically, here we are getting the list of words from the library, right? If you want to add anything on top of that, you can simply do one thing. We have this suggestions error, right? Obviously, it was an empty, and this suggestions array is being added here using add all. So you can simply add your custom words for this using dot add, and you can add uh, Anurag. So it is showing an error. See, because this suggestions is a type of word pair. It is expecting a type of word pair, not a string. So due to that reason, it is giving that error. Let's solve that. Should expect a string, and what it is showing? List of string. Okay. Dot list. Uh, this is not the way of doing it. Just doing some workouts on this, whether it will take or not. I'm not sure. Just yeah, let me do that with a count value of limited item count with a 10. Okay, so now these cases won't work. Okay, let's skip this part. We won't record any tappable events now. See, we have our word of Anurag University, but if you can see the remaining things, the entire list has been added as a part of the string format. So you can debug it, and you can uh, try it out on your own. Can able to succeed anything, just let me know. Can simply remove that, right? Not that one. This and this. Let's check. I'm gonna try this kind of funny combinations, but still we can add our data, but we have to do some hack on that because we are messing up with the library. So I'm going to share you another repo for you guys. This is on pure animations for the Flutter. Let me show you the UI for that. See, so this is a web representation of the app. So how it is rendering. So click on anything. See the glow. See, as long as the list is being scrolled, the image is also getting rotated. It depends on the number of steps of recipes which was added for each and every item. So this is one thing, and I'd like to show you another one, which is a playlist animation. This is for the music player. So that is it, guys. I'm sharing this links with you all. Just you can keep it and you can explore the code base. And she is the Flutter GDE from Europe. Yeah, from Turkey. So she made all the useful animated things, stuff, and in Flutter.
Or maybe they don't know what is GD, I guess, few of the
It's
students.
a Google developer expert, guys. So you can refer to her description. So as you guys have GDSC, right? Google Developer Student Clubs. So these are the short forms of referring the experts in Flutter. So Flutter